Starting your day with positive and productive habits can set the tone for the rest of your day. Here are 5 suggested things you can consider doing after waking up to enhance productivity and make a better day. 1. Hydrate yourself. Drinking a glass of water as soon as you wake up helps rehydrate your body after a night of sleep and kickstarts your metabolism. It's a simple and effective way to replenish fluids and prepare your body for the day ahead. 2. Practice mindfulness or meditation. Take a few moments to clear your mind and set a positive intention for the day. Engage in mindfulness or meditation practices, focusing on your breath or engaging in guided meditation. This helps promote a calm and centered mindset, reducing stress and increasing focus. 3. Stretch or exercise. Engaging in some light stretching or exercise in the morning helps wake up your body and boost your energy levels. It can be as simple as a few minutes of stretching, yoga, or a quick workout routine. Physical activity releases endorphins and sets a positive tone for the day. 4. Eat a nutritious breakfast. Start your day with a healthy and balanced breakfast to fuel your body and provide sustained energy. Include foods rich in protein, fiber, and vitamins to help you feel satiated and focused throughout the morning. Avoid sugary or processed foods that may lead to energy crashes later on. 5. Set daily goals. Take a few minutes to set your intentions and goals for the day. Write down the tasks or priorities you want to accomplish, both big and small. This helps you establish a sense of direction and purpose, ensuring that you make progress and stay focused throughout the day. Remember, these suggestions can be customized to fit your personal preferences and schedule. The key is to start your day mindfully, prioritize your well-being, and set a positive tone for the hours ahead.